You gonna go for a walk? Hi. Come on, show Daddy how you go for a walk. Come on. Come on. Come on, over here. Over here. Oh. There you go. There you go. Good job. You stuck? Hi. Say bye-bye. Oh, you're gonna go to the door now. Come over here. Caroline. Caroline. You wanna come over here? Come over here. Oh, the table. Come over here. Ah.